Millions of children and their parents are one step closer to normalcy after the FDA authorization of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Jesse Pagan.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. Marcella Lee has the night off. The agency says the shot is nearly 91% effective in preventing COVID-19. News 8's Regina Ahn shows us what's next and when parents can expect the shots to be available.
The FDA cleared Pfizer doses that would be just a third of the amount given to teens and adults for emergency use, and up to 28 million more children could be vaccinated by early next week.
When you get immunity from a vaccine, it's not because the vaccine is magical, it's because your child's body is. They create the immunity themselves.
Pediatrician Ahmad Bilani says this is a positive step in the best way possible.
The take-home message for every single parent always needs to be that if you're trying to do things as naturally as possible for your children, the best and most natural way is getting a vaccine.
Bilani says there is hesitation from parents, and he says that shouldn't be the case.
One of the things that's a misconception is that vaccines are part of that process. In no time during the existence of human history has it been good to get an infection. That's not natural. Infections are foreign.
With FDA's action, Pfizer plans to begin shipping millions of vials to doctors' offices, pharmacies, and other vaccination sites. Advisors for the CDC will meet Tuesday for a more detailed recommendation. Then the agency's director is expected to sign off on the vaccine's doses shortly afterwards. Eligible kids will get 2 shots 3 weeks apart.
600 children in the United States have already died of COVID-19. That's much more than you've heard from any vaccine or anything like that.
While children are at a lower risk of severe illness or death from COVID-19, 5 to 11-year-olds still have been affected, with 8,300 hospitalizations, about a third requiring intensive care. Local parents say they're supportive of the vaccine.
We're super excited and can't wait to get her shots.
Why do you feel like it's important? Parents.
Because it's the best way to be safe and to keep her safe and everybody we love safe.
While some say they're not too sure.
I think it's a bad idea to force them all to get vaccinated, especially since, like, I have grandchildren who've already had COVID and they recovered from it, so I don't think they would get any real benefit from getting another shot.
Moderna is also being studied in young children, and both Moderna and Pfizer will be testing their shots on preschoolers and babies.